This is super limp, and I can throw a 3/16 or a 1/8 bait a long way on it. To me, that's what's most important. Now for a hook, I'm gonna go with a VMC Redline Finesse Nico hook in size 6. So what I like about these is it's got this locking keeper, so it keeps your hooks really organized, but I also can quickly look at the side of them and see what size they are. So by unhooking this, I'm gonna take one hook off of this ring, just like that, and lock it back up, and I've got my hooks secure. When you tie a drop shot hook on, it's very important to understand how you can do it. There's a couple of knots you can do, but probably the easiest to do would be a simple Palomar knot, which is going through the eye and then back through the eye, the same way you went out. So you've basically got your line sitting like that. I tend to leave myself anywhere from, you know, 1 foot to 1.5 feet, depending how high I want my drop shot to sit. You basically take the 2 lines that are doubled over, you tie an overhand knot, just like you start a shoelace, and take that loop and slip your hook through it. Now the real trick is you want to keep your hook point facing upward. Let me just wet this. In order to keep your hook point, because it's going to sit like this, you can kind of see the hook isn't sitting properly. You take your tag end and go down through the hook eye with the hook point facing up.